Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Halloween video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a zombie Captain America. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with zombie Captain America, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down, and then we're going to bring it back like this. Next we're going to bring a line down. We're going to come over and up to here. Now, this next one's going to be just a little bit lower, so we're going to leave some space, and we'll start here. We'll make a little line down. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to come up and down. We're going to bring it down a little farther, and then we're just going to bring this line across here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go around this whole eye. We're just going to kind of bring this all the way around, very similar to the shape of the eye. Not a perfect circle. So we just kind of go around, and we're just going to bring this right around the entire eye. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down in sort of a triangle shape. Then we're going to bring this out on each side. Now after we bring it out, we're going to bring it over here. So you can see we just kind of come up and over just a little bit. Next we're going to come up at an angle and then in. You can see we're going to come up at an angle and then just in. Next, we're going to bring this line up and kind of curve. Same thing here, we're going to bring this line up and kind of curve. And you can see the drawing's a little bit at an angle, like the head's kind of tilted. Now, once I get to about here, I'm going to bring this line down. And then I'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to kind of bring this line down, and then we're going to kind of come back. Do it over here, too. Just kind of bring this line back a little bit. Next, right here, we're going to bring this line around with a curve, and then we're going to come down to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then in. And then over here, we'll do the same thing. We're just going to come down, and then we're going to bring this in. Now, right up here, I'm going to make kind of like a bumpy, jagged line that goes up and down. And then we're going to bring it up and down here, kind of where the nose used to be. Then we'll make a similar shape right inside of here, and I'm just going to go ahead and color that part in. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. Then we're going to bring this down, and we're going to come over at an angle. You can see we're kind of curving it down. Next, I'm going to bring this line up to here. And then right here, we're going to curve this up. Now, we want to fit the mouth in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. I'm going to come down, and we're just going to make it kind of bumpy to here. And then I'm going to make a line down to start the teeth, and we're going to make some curved lines that come over and then down. So we're just going to go over and bring it across. We'll do another one here. We're just going to kind of put a little tooth here. We'll do one more right here, a little bit more of an oval shape. And then one that's just going to go down and over. Over here we'll go up and down, and then bring it right over. Do another one here. I'll make it a little bit pointier at the bottom. They'll make another small one right over here. That way it kind of looks like some of them are tucked behind the others. Starting here, we're going to make a line that comes down for the tongue. I'm going to bring a line that's going to go over. We're going to come down, and then we're going to bring it across. Then we're going to come up and bring it right back down. Now, starting right here, we're going to make a line that comes down, and we're going to add the rest of these teeth. So we're just going to come down here. We're going to go over, down, and up. And we're just going to keep doing this all along here. So we're just going to kind of go over, down, and up. Do another one here. Then we're just going to make a couple more little curved lines right around here. Just kind of add the extra like molars in the back. Next, I'm going to bring a line up here, and we're going to bring this line right up here. Then I'm going to bring this line over and down. And right along here, I'm going to make a little bit of like a bumpy line, so it kind of looks like part of his mouth is missing. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down here, and then we're going to add a curved line right around here to show where more of his mouth is. We'll do that same thing here. Curve this line down, then just bring it down and in. We can always add an extra line or two in there. Then we'll add a little line in the back here. Now, starting up here, I'm going to make a little line that comes down on each side. And then we're going to add a couple little detail lines right around here. Just some little broken lines for a little bit of detail. Right underneath the eyes, I'm going to add a couple little lines and above them as well. Out here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve up and over and put a little squiggle in there for the ear. And we'll do another one over here. We'll just kind of come down and put a small little curved line in there. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to come down. It's going to go over and then back up like part of a strap. Up here, we're going to make the A. So we just want to make a diagonal line on each side with a little line across. We're going to make two lines that come over, two diagonal lines up that connect. Then we'll make a little triangle in here. Now over here, let's draw like kind of his shoulders and everything. So I'm just going to make a little line that's going to come out, and it's going to come up here for his neck. And then we'll add a couple little extra lines in here. We'll make a little line that's going to come down here. And then we're going to bring this line all the way down. We'll go over, and then we'll bring this all the way down for part of his armor. And then we'll bring this down here. Now over here on this side, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make part of his shield. So I'm going to make a curved line that comes up, and then I'm going to make some kind of broken lines in here so it looks like it's been cracked. We're going to bring this over here to that strap, and then we're just going to curve it all the way down to here. Then in here, I'm going to make some lines that go over and down just to make it look a little more three-dimensional. And then we'll add another little curved line in here. Then right here, we're going to go over and down, and we'll draw a line that's going to come right to here. Then right here, we're going to go over and curve it around, and then one more here, we're going to curve it and come down. Then we're going to bring a couple little lines here, and we'll do a couple little lines on these straps here. And then a few little lines coming right across here. Now on his mask, I'm going to make a couple more of these little lines that go right around here for some detail, and some right around the eyes too. We can even put a couple across the top. And there you go, there is your drawing of a zombie Captain America. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.